Hey everyone, I'm here today at Twin Pine Ford to show you how to use your Ford Pass to charge your electric vehicle using our high-speed Blink chargers. Step 1. Open the Ford Pass app, and Step 2. Locate the nearest charging station by clicking on Public Charging. Based on your phone's GPS, you'll see the closest chargers to you. Click on the charging location at Twin Pine Ford and it will show you how many chargers are available. Take notice to this diagram where we illustrate which serial number corresponds to each port. For this video, we are using port 1 with this serial number. Then click Activate on your selected port. The charger will activate within 2 minutes and tell you when it's ready to be plugged in to start. Inside your vehicle, specifically this one, a Mach-E, we're able to see how quickly our battery will charge. As your vehicle is charging, you can also reference the Blink charger for more information. Step 3. To unplug your vehicle, hit the unlock button. Wait for the click, then push the button on the handle and pull the charger out. After this, you'll be on your way. Thank you so much for coming and using our chargers at PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.